Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mavin Methods. In this month's edition, we'll be making a very quick video which shows you how to look at your usage and the file size per layer that you have in your account. So all you'll need to do is go down here to the View Usage tab, and from there you'll be open to this screen. You'll see a pie chart showing your allotted storage and your already used volume of storage. Additionally, up here, you'll see stats like average disk usage, average disk space to pay for, and in any of these cases, these are all going to be monthly. And if you see that you're going over your allotted 5 gigabytes of storage per month, all you'll need to do is, if you'd like, complete that project and drop down below the 5 gig limit to maintain your $20 a month for the following month. Or if you'd like, you could simply pay 75 cents extra per gig. Now, for those of you who aren't very familiar with spatial layers, which is totally fine, and one of the main reasons that we created this in the first place, if you're just using vector data, you're probably not going to go over the 5 gigabyte limit unless you have layers that have thousands of polygons within them. So really this is more targeted towards people who are using raster data in the form of GeoTIFF files. And that will potentially take you over, but again, there's really no need to store them in the cloud indefinitely unless you intend on sharing that data over a long period of time. And even if that is the case, again, it's only 75 cents per gig over 5 gigabytes. Now, with that in mind, if you ever want to actually look and see which of your files are really taking up the most amount of space, then you'll have this XY graph here that'll show you exactly that. You'll see most of these are so small that they don't even pop up above the axis right here, and that's because they're all vector data. So they take such a little amount of your storage that they almost seem to not even have a bar. On the other end, all of these big ones that you see here that I have in my own account are satellite imagery. This one, for example, says, let's see, Manhattan satellite imagery. And you'll see that that takes 740 something gigabytes. And I have that in there because I use it for one of my demo maps, but if I were doing a real project, I would probably just keep it in there for the duration of the project and remove it. So that's that with view usage, and of course, as always, if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to Fletcher@apollomapping.com or call at 970-710-0909. Thanks, and have a great holiday.